Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about increment command in WinProLadder software Fatek PLC. Let's start. In previous lecture we discussed about this division command and this one also I will delete, no problem. First we have to stop the PLC and Control A and delete all. Simply you have to go to the functions and click it here and write inside the INC after you can got the increment command. If you like to take from the this page also you can go downside and you can choose it here +1. That's the words if you can remind in the brain. That's +1 if you remind. Also you can simply directly write it +1 after you got the increment command. Otherwise you have to be find in this area. If you click it in basics after you go downside and simply choose it here +1. This is the increment command and click it OK. And here you choose any data register, no problem. For example, I will take D0 and I will make the increment at D0. And here you have to be choose that one any signal from outside. Bit means I take for example X0 where I give the signal after I store my increment data at the D0. And now this program I will download to the PLC and make check. See, as I give the signal, for example make it on, see this one going increment to the D0 continuously. But why this is, we need increment step by step. This is continuously going signal. Many means one time we make the signal on and off, too many signals goes inside. So what we can do, this simply we have to be choose this one, stop the PLC, and this one we need here the TU contact. This TU contact means what? This TU contact here also you can take this one. This one TU contact and this is TD contact. This TU contact, if you giving one signal, it will pass only one signal, not too many signals go. This is the beauty of this TU contact. If you giving one pulse, he count one pulse. If you giving two pulses, it will be count two pulses. Simply we will check this. For example, first I remove this value D0 and I will make the D0 at 0 first. Now it is not have totally any value not have at the D0. Here simply make the run PLC, and when you giving the one signal, I will make this one. See, he counts only one. As you giving the another signal, he will be take count 2. As I make another signal, he counts 2. As I make first make off after on. See, one signal when I giving, he passed only one signal. If you giving, see, and after increment data how can use, you have to be used in the program different ways, which design, which logic you made for which machine. That's time you have to choose the which command you have to be using the. For example, I will choose it here, compare command one more, CMP. Sorry, not compare command. Compare command also can be used, but it is your logic, depends on your logic, you have to be use this command. I will go to the logic operation, compare. Yeah, this is in compare command also have section, yani equal, greater than, less than and greater than, less than and less than, or greater than, greater than and equal or less than. Yani in this section have 1 2 3 4 5 6 sections. Which section you will choose? For example, I will choose the equal. In previous lecture already I discussed about this equal command. Maybe if you not see the previous lectures, after you understand about what's the function of compare commands. Compare commands already I explained. For example, this D0, I say this D0 when equal with 4, after my 1 bit output needs to be turned on. Y0, for example, I need to be turned on when my that one D0 equal with 4, after my Y0 needs to be turned on. First I will make this one 0, 6, make this 0. And how this make 0? No need to be continue here. In laptop you like to go to in status page. This I will tell you now. One, make more command it here. X, for example, 0. X1, I will choose my external output, and here I will use the move command. Simply write move command, and here you have to be write 0 move in D0. When you move this command, choose, after you can make the reset of this increment command. So I make the run PLC. Now see, here is D0 not have any value. When I give the signal here, make it on, off, on, now 1. Again off, again next give signal 2. Again off, again on, now third signal is completed. Again off, again on. As this counts are completed, which you write at D0, your Y0 will be on. And as you give signal one more, for example, it will be close, because of you used here equal command. This your D0 must be equal with 4, after your Y0 will be on. This can be a signal from the field, any conveyor signal, for example, any sensor from outside which is counts the your values for bottles or packets or whatever. Many in the programming field have many machines have different things, but you can use this function. After you count the completes, how much counts you need, this data just to simply took at the HMI, and after you can write how much counts you like to uh, save. And this command when you use after your Y0 or which bit you defined in hardware, after this will be on off you can use. And when this value you like to be reset, simply give the signal to the this move command. After this data will be move in D0. See, now it's now a reset. In previous lectures already I discussed about that move command. You can If not see, you can go and see the old lectures. After you understand, move command is how use. See, as values is increased here, sorry, this have to be stopped. Just we go here, make it off, make it on, make it off, make it on. This is one signal it will be passed. See, as 4 completed, after your y0 will be on. As it's increased, after this value will be y0 will be stopped. See, and if you like to be reset this data register, you have to be simply make it on this one, and your value will be cleared, and this will be start from 0. Inshallah will be next lectures. I will more define to you how to use this in program examples for with practical ones. For example, your value coming from the field, and after you make the increment, and after you how to reset and how you take this data. Inshallah will be slowly how this data will execute from the HMI, and how we can use HMI with the PLC with complete program. Step by step, inshallah, I will all explain. I hope this session you complete understand. If have any, if you not understand anything, you can send me the message. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.